You are now tuned in to Journey to Peace with Mina Jamela, your space for healing and growth. Good morning, beautiful soul. Come on in the room. Take a moment, pause, breathe in through your nose and out through anything that's been weighing heavy on your spirit. Today we enter the next phase of this journey, and this part is sacred because this is the part where you get to rebuild, not from scratch, but from wisdom, from survival, from strength you didn't even know that you had. You've seen the cost of low self-worth. You felt the ache of shrinking just to be chosen. You've watched yourself give and give, hoping someone would finally see your heart. Hmm. But today we stop begging to be valued. Today we remember you are the one who sets the price. Heart, you are not broken. You are becoming. And what's been lost is not going. It's waiting for you to come home to yourself. This morning, I want you to plant this seed in your mind. I am no longer available for anything beneath my value. Say it like you mean it, because you deserve peace. You deserve boundaries. You deserve to feel safe inside your own body, in your own decisions, in your own presence. This next chapter of the Self-Worth Mastery series is your blueprint to rebuild, brick by brick, choice by choice, with the kind of love that doesn't come with conditions. Let this be the season you stop proving yourself and start pouring into yourself. Y'all ready? Let's build something solid, something true, and something you. Remember to live and let live, and I love yourself first.